So hello my internet friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see some awesome 5 simple tips and tricks which will make your coding with Python easy. Also it will take less memory and it will take less amount of time to code. So let's see the tricks one by one.
Not a game, it's a Redskin.
So first trick in our list is list of even numbers. So basically it means printing a list of even numbers, let's say from 1 to 10. If you want to print that number, so basically we will write the program like I will just say even number. I will quickly write this program and tell you. So I have written this one simple program. If I run this, and so you can see a list with all the even numbers from 1 to 10. So this will you will write probably for getting a even number. What if I told you we can write in one line? So you can write this way. I will tell you. So suppose I will take one variable. I will take one variable, let's say even number, and in that we have to pass one list. So in that place we will be writing our one liner code. So this will be write from num means our number for loop and then number in. I will take a range. I will take a range from 1 to 11 means we will get 1 to 10 even numbers, and I will write if number. We have to take the modulo which will give us even numbers. If modulo is equal to 0, then print. So this is our small code, and I will just print this. I'll just print this even number. So you can see this. This program giving us the same output 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this one is just a one-liner code which makes our coding easy. So you can understand this program. We are looping a for loop. So for number in the range of 1 to 11. So from 1 to 10, take the number in num variable, and in the if statement, if the number is modulo of 2 means it the number is divisible by 0, then store it into the list which is number and which is stored in even number and which is printing this list of even number. Coming to our second trick, that is zip function. So this is how it looks, zip and parenthesis zip function. So zip function basically does the it means to join. So this combines the contents of two or more iterables and it will return us one object. So let's say for example name, and I will have the name of the people, let's say A, B, C, and I will take D, oops, D, and then I will take one more variable, let's say roll number. I will just say 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will take one more data, let's say of marks list. I will just say 50, 60, 40, 70. Okay, we done with 4. So this is our data. You can see a name of one student, a roll number of the student, and marks of the student. So if I use zip function, so you can see here I will take one variable, let's say data, and in this we will store our zip. So zip, you can see zip, and in parentheses we have to pass these variables. So I will just say name, roll number, and next is marks. And if I print this data, so if I print this data, you can see it is giving one object, so which we don't want. So we have to convert it into list. You can convert it into tuples or anything. I will convert it to list. So list, and here we go. So you can see it has given one tuple, answer in tuple. Inside one list we are having tuple. You can see A, name of the student A with a roll number of 1 and marks of 50. Similar way B to 60. C 340, and D 470. So you can see how it is giving us the output. So you can use this method to find this output. You can also do something like what if I want the marks of the student above 50 marks, I mean 50% or whatever. So I will just write one for loop. You can say for, and I will take this, oops, for name. I have roll number. I have marks, and in will take this zip. You can write directly data also. So I will not. You can also write the variable also, which is combined with the list. But I am writing directly a zip. You can see I will just copy this. So zip, and so in that we will have one if statement, and we will write if marks is greater than 50, then print the names of the student. So if I run this, you can see it is giving me the name of the student B and D. So B, which is 60 marks, and D is 100. So this is what we can do with zip function. So third one in our list is getting input with split. Split is a method which splits the data into different types. So if you want to take a data from the user, so we basically write input statement like, if I want three inputs from the user, I will write input. I will just write something data enter, and similar way I want three, so I will paste it three times and with different variables. See, so this is what you uses the input statement, but we can write it with in a one line. So to do that I will take this function. So to do that I will take this variable and see. So these three variables we're gonna store our input details. So input, and I will write enter whatever number, and I will write here dot split. So this split method will separate the input data and store it with particular variable. If I write this and let's say printing, I will print this and I will show this the output. So I will run this program. You can see that I will write 1, 2, 3. So you can see I have passed the numbers. You can write here enter the three numbers also, and 1, 2, 3. You can see it is divided into three different inputs. So you can use this, but for particular use only you can use this. So if I want to write enter three different names, so you can't write in this because user will not understand whether he or she should write in the same line. So still you can use this. Simple it is to use with a split function. So next one in our list is removing the duplicate. So removing the duplicates means if we have a list of the data, let's say data of, I'll write 1 2 2 1 2 4 5 6 8 8. So this is our data, and you can see the 2 2 and 8 8 are duplicates. So we have to remove these duplicates. So we use this basically a for loop, let's say I in data, and inside that we use this if statement. So if I not in something, the list, we creates one empty list here, defines one empty list, and we iterate to each and every data. So it is lengthy process. We can just do it with one line using set method. So just write, I will write answer, and we have to create this in a list because it gives in an object. So if I write set, and set is one function, we have to pass this variable. So set basically does the thing like it just gives the number which are occurring only once, and if it is the numbers are double like 2 8 8, it only takes it as a one number. So if I print answer, so you can see all the duplicates are removed, only the single, it takes only single value. So 2 becomes only 2. So this is what you can do with set. So last one in our list is simple everyone knows, but many one don't know also, like swapping of two numbers or main numbers also. So basically we use this a temp variable for a temporary storing that data and just swap, and it takes little bit more lines of code. But in this single line of code you can just swap the numbers, like if I have A and B and I want to swap this A and B with I want the A with a 3 number and B has a 2. So you can just write A, B and B, A, and just print this A and B. So now let's see. You can see 3 and 2. So basically A is our now 3 and B is our 2. So this was one simple method to swap the numbers. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and take care.